Wagner, but there's also other composers. I think the typical thing for Therian is that all our fans, or at least a large portion of them, always say that my mom loved your record as well. So I think we have an older age group of fans than metal fans in the I think 95% of the people who buy a record have absolutely no idea whatsoever what it is. They go from anything from Kabbalistic themes and a lot of Middle Eastern themes. We made a concept album about the 9 worlds in the Nordic mythology. They're very esoteric and they are very hard to understand unless you have already a fundamental knowledge in these areas. They're written by a doctorate in the history of idea and religion history, so it's a very high academic level, and I think for the average listener, I've been everywhere in Zimbabwe. I've been all over the place on the planet, but I haven't really had the time to see many places really as a tourist. Because you have to hang around, you have to wait for sound check or interviews and this and that, and getting food, everything. There's a schedule the whole day. You cannot just go around and sightseeing. It doesn't work. So my impression of Serbia will be the concert. Well, what I eat, that's a bit of culture. You get what you eat and what you drink, and the beer from each country, and food. Also the cultural numbers. And of course, buildings, the venues where you play, say, a little bit of the country. This is an old musical theater, obviously, so I get to have a little bit of architecture. To really discover a country, you need to go there as a private person. After all, we're here to work. Well, harder than some works, less hard than other works. I guess it's much harder to work in a factory, but it's still quite much harder work than many people would believe.